In tonight's Health Source 10, many of us fear the idea of a stroke that might leave us unable to speak or move because of that brain attack.
Now there's a new form of prevention tested right here at Riverside Hospital. The FDA has cleared a device to stop some strokes before they start. Doctors Stephen Yakubov and James Kleeman are sliding a Watchmen device into Bob Bunzy's heart. It looks like a tiny umbrella. Instead of blocking rain, though, it's designed to block strokes. Bob had a travel business and was in Ireland when he ran short of breath. Doctors diagnosed atrial fibrillation.
Atrial fibrillation, a very common cardiac rhythm disorder, increasingly common as people age.
That's when the beats of the upper and lower chambers of the heart get out of sync. 1 in every 4 of us will face it after age 40. Doctors also worry because of what happens in a small pouch of the heart.
This is a small outpouching of the left atrium that collects blood clot in patients with atrial fibrillation.
Those clots can break free, travel to the brain, and cause a stroke. So doctors give patients blood thinners, but that's a problem too.
Blood thinners cause bleeding, and sometimes the bleeding is life-threatening.
You're always worrying about internal bleeding.
It first happened to Bob on a cruise.
I spent 2 days in the ship's infirmary and ended up in a hospital in Tallinn, Estonia.
The doctors say this device solves the problem.
It blocks off the appendage, and after about 45 days, they come off of their blood thinner.
That's the part Bob likes most.
And then have the safety of knowing I'm not going to have a clot that's going to cause a stroke.
So maybe he can travel again.
I never did get to see Russia.
Well, he'll just have to go back. Dr. Yakubov helped test the Watchmen device while it was still in clinical trials.